Sunday, my fellow West Coast swing dancers. It is myself, the talented Miss Stephanie is going to help me today. Her and I are going to show you what we taught for a West Coast swing class. So I'm here in Herndon, Virginia, to teach twice a month for the class. This is something never taught before, and it's going to start a series in Herndon where I'm doing a bunch of elbow catches. And this is the first one of that series. So it originates off of a sugar tuck, combination sugar push, sugar tuck, which is her right hand, my left hand. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 using just her right hand. Just going front to back to the camera just so you can see that connection. Just pull her in, connect, and then she does the rotation to the right. Now the elbow catch. The elbow catch is something I'm going to show you with either you can do with one hand or with two. With one hand is a little more challenging, but that's one we mainly focused on for the class. So coming in 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the lady is nothing different. So she comes in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Give her connection to make her go turning, starting to her right on 4. But 5 and we're going to do this slow because it's hard to do, but we're going to go 5 and. So I take my left arm, moving towards her, but moving off to her right, and take my elbow, and I hook it over her elbow on the and count. So just to show that view from here, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and. So I step into her, moving off to her right, but then I connect with the elbow because that's where the resistance has to occur, because on 6, I'm pushing her back onto her left foot. So we're just going to add the 6th step to the and count. So 1 after the sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So I fall back onto my right foot, and that pushes Stephanie onto her left. So going from this side, just to show you a little bit from my angle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and forward, 6. And then when you bring her up onto her left foot, then all you're doing is a series of triples for her, and it's a series for her, for you. So, but you're going to put her right back where she was. So after the sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Give her a little push on her waist so she rotates back to her left. So go in this direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And if you saw how I pushed her back the other direction, that's the key. So let's just go side to side. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Guys, keep that left arm of yours, her right arm high so she can rotate back to the left. Now that's a little challenging to do using one hand. You can do it with 2. And 2 is a little easier. So if you want to do the second move and then get stronger at it and then convert to the first, you can. Same count for her on 4, the sugar push. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to take my right hand and step through. So instead of taking my elbow, hooking, I'm going to take my right hand on the and count, like you did before, and then everything else is still the same. So sugar push here, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. I actually have more control over it because I'm using 2 hands. So going this direction here, using my right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. So now just both. Side to side. So you can see both and use both or just use one. They're cool. They're different, but they're kind of the same. So first with the first one, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. And then if you want to do a little easier version, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Choose as you wish. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like those, guys. First time I've ever taught these types of catches before, so hope you use them next time you go dancing. Remember to subscribe for a new video every week. We hope you use them as much as we do. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing.